Well, I'll tell ya, there ain't nothing quite like the sound of a classic Mustang roaring to life. Y'all are in for a real treat today, 'cause we're about to bring this red Mustang Fastback back from the dead. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's a southern boy like me doing on a Philippine beach? Sometimes you gotta shake things up a bit. And this open-air garage with the ocean breeze is something else. Now, y'all gather around and let me show you our little slice of paradise. This here's our open-air garage, right on the edge of this beautiful Philippine beach. You can smell that salt air mixing with the scent of motor oil. It's like heaven for us gearheads. And there she is, our red Mustang Fastback, looking a little worse for wear, but still holding on to that classic beauty. Setting up shop here wasn't no easy task. We had to haul in all our tools, make sure everything's protected from the sand and salt. Alright, now it's time to get our hands dirty. We're gonna strip this beauty down to her bones, get rid of all that rust and wear. It's like peeling away the years, y'all. Every bolt we remove, every panel we take off, it's like we're turning back time. Now, once we've got her stripped down, it's time for the real nitty-gritty. We're talking about sanding and prepping that body for paint. It's a labor of love, folks. You gotta be patient, you gotta be thorough. We're gonna hit every nook and cranny with our orbital sanders. Y'all ready for some magic? Because that's what's about to happen. We're gonna take this dull, worn-out body and turn it into a shining red beauty that'll make your heart skip a beat. First coat's going on now. Let me tell you, it's like watching a sunset over the ocean. That deep, rich red just takes your breath away. While that paint's drying, we're going to give some love to the interior. We're talking butter soft leather seats, a dashboard that'll make you feel like you're sitting in the cockpit of a fighter jet. Every little detail matters, sitting the chrome bezels on the gauges to the perfectly restored steering wheel. Because when you're cruising down the road, you want to feel like a rock star. Now, here's where the real magic happens, folks. We're about to breathe new life into this sleeping. Now it's time to drop it in. It's time to drop it in. It's like fitting the last piece of a puzzle, y'all. And then, that moment we've all been waiting for. Turn the key and listen to that. That roar, that rumble. It's like music to my ears. Sweeter than any song I've ever written, I tell ya. And now, to take her for a spin along this beautiful beach road. The wind in your hair, the power under your foot, and the open road ahead. That's what it's all about, friends. That's living. Well, folks, we've come to the end of this restoration journey. From rust bucket to road warrior, right here on this beautiful Philippine beach. You know, sometimes in life, you gotta take the long way round. Put in the hard work to get to where you want to be. Whether it's restoring a classic car or chasing your dreams, it's all about the journey. So why don't y'all come on down to the Philippines, feel the sand between your toes. Maybe, just maybe, you'll find your own slice of paradise to work on your dreams. Keep on rocking, and remember, turn it up. If you enjoyed this restoration journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Go Globetrotters Travel channel for more amazing content.